में हिस्सा लिया, तो आपको कैसा महसूस?
बहुत अच्छा फील हो गया हम लोगों को ये करके कि हम लोग ने यहाँ पे सफाई की, यहाँ पे कूड़ा उठाया वगैरह वगैरह, मतलब हम लोगों को बहुत अच्छा फील हो गया इससे। तो होना चाहिए, मतलब अगर हम हमारे पास डस्टबिन है तो हमें मतलब ये होना चाहिए कि हमें उसी में कूड़ा फेंकना चाहिए, उधर इधर नहीं, आसपास हम लोगों को कूड़ा कचरा फेंकना चाहिए। मतलब कूड़ा कचरा आप डस्टबिन में ही फेंको, उधर इधर ना फेंके वो डस्टबिन, क्योंकि इससे हम लोगों की ये मतलब माहौल भी ख़राब हो जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा, सोसाइटी भी इस पर असर हो जाता है, मतलब इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है इससे हम लोग को। अगर हम कूड़ा देखते हैं मतलब उससे भी इन्फेक्शन हो जाता है, मॉस्किटोज़ इससे फैलते हैं, मच्छर फैलते हैं इससे।
We are from Women's College, MA Road. This is the vicinity. This is our vicinity, Parta Park and the Choont Kol over there. तो आज हमारा ये इनिशिएटिव था. Basically, it is under Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. So under the dynamic leadership of our principal ma'am, the NSS group of our college, along with the Eco Club of this college and Department of Environmental Science and Water Management and Botany, we have initiated this cleanliness drive in the vicinity. That is the Parta Park and the Choont Kol, which is over there at Barbarsha. So students, they volunteered to come over here and clean up this area, because this is the area which is being mostly inhabited by the visitors over here, by the locals over here, and they had actually seen that the Choont Kol over there, the periphery of that Nala, that was very much, that is so much polluted. So they tried their level best to actually collect that waste into dustbins. They were provided with the proper cleaning gears and all. So they tried their best to clean up that site over there and serve community in the best of their abilities.
What was the response?
The response, actually we did not expect any response from the public. I think that public has already seen what our students have been doing. So I think this message will go far and wide to the community, that they will be aware that they will not spread any further pollutants over there. They will be careful about the ecology of that fragile Nala that is running over there. You were not perhaps over there when we started the drive. Our first sight was that only. So I think the message is quite clear, that when our small kids, they are just the students of semester 2nd. So when they are ready to take up such initiatives at a social level, why not they? They are the actual inhabitants of that area. They must take care to keep that area very clean, because it is a fragile ecosystem, and we should remember one thing, that all the water bodies over here, they're all interconnected. So if one gets unclean, it will automatically pollute all other water bodies. So we are, in our capacity, we tried our level best to create this awareness among our students, and in turn they try to create awareness among the locality.